This video shows a tidy buttonhole technique worked over 3 rows when knitting flat. It's shown here with 1x1 ribbing.
Place a marker on the working needle and yarn over. Move the yarn to the front for the next purl stitch. Bring the yarn to the front and slip the yarn over purlwise. Yarn over and slip the marker. Return the yarn to the front for the next purl stitch. Slip one knitwise, remove the marker. Knit into both yarn overs, and without removing from the holding needle, pass the slipped stitch over the stitch you just knit. Work the yarn overs with the following stitch as a knit 3 together.